順番ですか。
Only one fry in every 10,000 is good enough to breed. They skillfully pick out those with the desired color and shape, rejecting the rest.
こうやってずっと家族4人でやってきたんですか。
まあ震災の後、地震の後、
地震、
中越の震災があったのか、15年前に震災でもう何もかもなくなってしまって。
In 2004, a major earthquake devastated central Niigata. The entire population of Yamakoshi was evacuated and couldn't return for 2 years. The ponds were broken and the water drained away, killing over 200,000 nishiki-goi. Tanaka thought his days breeding carp were over, but his 3 sons came to help, and they rebuilt the ponds. After 15 long years, production finally recovered to pre-disaster levels. Today, he exports to over 50 countries, and the name Tanaka is famous among nishiki-goi lovers worldwide.
こうお客さんにこう見てもらって、ちょっと驚いてもらったり、びっくりしてもらって、感動するような声、楽しい声を作っていきたいですね。
で、その大きくなっていく様が一番面白いパターン
やっぱりこれだけ毎日声を見てても、いまだにやっぱり僕らでも綺麗だなっていう感動できる声っていうのがやっぱり出てくる。それがやっぱり魅力だと思いますね。
どんどんと世界に声を発信してくれたらいいなと思います。自分はだんだん年取っていくから、もう若い者たちに期待してます。
The final goal is almost in sight now.
Keep grinding away. Keep the pedals turning. Spurred on by the knowledge that this is the last climb. This is the end. Wow!
The final goal.
Here we are!
The final goal.
That's my finish!
Yeah, not bad. I need you to 2,000.
Oh!
I need your dip.
And there we go! Feast your eyes on that! Okay, so that's the end of a fascinating 3 days in Niigata.
A beautiful landscape, home to a people of unusual resilience.
Unusual.
Check out the PBS Kids show, Let's Go Luna. This show has everything. World travels, dancing moons, adventures with friends. Did we mention dancing moons? Let's Go Luna. Every day at 5, 4 Central on PBS Kids. The PBS Kids video app.
Come inside.
Where you can watch full episodes of your favorite PBS Kids shows.
Oh.
Anytime and anywhere.
Cool. High five.
Take all the laughter and learning of PBS Kids with you wherever you go. Awesome! Incredible! Life lessons with every adventure, right at your fingertips.
Da-da-da-da.
The PBS Kids video app. Watch when you want, wherever you want. No subscription needed. Download on your device today.
Go.